So a couple weeks ago, I made a video about the backup light switch not working on the wife's car, being broken. Just about done with making a repair on it, and realized, hey, I could probably shoot a quick video. But you can see there's a little lock ring that holds everything in. There's a little tab on the bottom. Push the tab out, connector comes out the back. Just putting some crimp connectors in here, covering up with some heat shrink. I might wind up putting a new pigtail on, but we'll hold off on that for now, and we'll see if it works here in a minute. There's a connector back together, and now it works. Success.